In today's video, I will walk you through how to do Shorts video in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. You can open CapCut on your computer by visiting the official CapCut website or launching the CapCut PC application, and once you are inside the editor, you will have access to all the tools needed to create short-form vertical videos that work perfectly for YouTube Shorts and similar platforms. Creating Shorts is all about keeping your content fast, clear, and visually focused, so setting up your project correctly from the start makes a big difference in the final result. To begin, go to the Media section and import the video clips you want to use. Then drag them into your timeline so you can start building your sequence. Once your footage is placed, the next step is adjusting the format to match the Shorts layout. Below the preview window, locate the aspect ratio option and click it. Then select the vertical format so your video fits naturally on mobile screens without black bars or unnecessary cropping. After applying the vertical format, click on your video clip in the timeline and adjust its size and position inside the preview window so your main subject stays centered and easy to see. This step is important because Shorts rely heavily on strong framing, and even small positioning changes can affect how clear your content looks on mobile. If you are working with multiple clips, repeat the same adjustment for each one so the framing stays consistent from start to finish, and the video feels smooth instead of shifting around. Since YouTube Shorts must stay under 60 seconds, review your timeline carefully and make sure your content fits within that limit. Trimming or shortening sections where needed to remove pauses, filler moments, or anything that does not add value. Keeping the pacing tight helps maintain viewer attention, which is very important for short-form content. Once everything is trimmed and properly aligned, preview the full video from start to finish to confirm that the timing, framing, and flow all look clean in vertical format. When everything looks ready, go to the Export option at the top of the interface and render your final video so it is ready for upload to YouTube or any other platform that supports vertical content. And that is how you create Shorts videos in CapCut PC using vertical formatting, timeline adjustments, trimming, and export settings to produce clean, engaging, and well-structured short-form videos.